Part-timers from a hunting standpoint applies to anyone.
Whether you're a deer hunter, elk hunter, hog hunter, turkey hunter.
Nobody gets to do it full time. We would love to, but we can't.
Dang it.
Dude, Randy, that's a big buck.
Did it again, you son of a gun.
That's aggravating the road. Right with that.
Look at that big pretty joker, dude.
What's going on, part-timers? It is October 20th. It's the second day of rifle season here in Georgia. Me and my buddy RDubb, y'all seen him on a couple turkey hunting videos. We came up today after church to put some corn out, to get our spots checked out, get them ready, and we're going to actually hunt this afternoon. But we had Hurricane Helene roll through a few weeks ago, and it has done a pretty good bit of damage to central Georgia and really all over the south. But it's got a lot of trees down. It's blocked my road a pretty good bit. We've lost probably 100 yards of visibility. This is the same road that I've hunted for the last few years, and y'all seen me kill a couple bucks crossing this road. We're gonna put the ground blind up, put a lock on up, and we're gonna walk down and check the creek if we can get there. Trees are down everywhere. Y'all stay tuned. We're gonna get this stuff rolling and get in the stand before dark. What's going on, part-timers? It's Friday, October 25th, and I am back in Georgia. I got my man Knox with me right there. We just got here. We left about 4 a.m. A little after 4 a.m. and got here right at cracking daylight. And there was a pretty big buck at the bow stand where Richard's gonna be hunting. We're hoping he either comes back on him or he comes across this road on us. But we currently got a bunch of turkeys that just pitched down and they're talking their heads off right now. And I'd imagine they're gonna be walking out here on us in a minute, so I'll hopefully get to show you, but we are pumped up. This is our rut hunt. The weatherman said it was only gonna be in the 60s this morning. Well, it was 48 when we pulled up here. And we are extremely underdressed. So y'all stay tuned. This is our favorite spot. Check the camera. We have a couple little bugs going in and out of this trail right here. There's a bunch of darn dogs that's been running around, running the deer off. We're gonna check another camera and see what's on that one. Alright guys, it is like 9:45. We were just checking trail cameras and I heard some squirrels going barking. And Richard was looking at a doe and a yearling. Well, a buck came out behind them and he killed him with the bow. So we're gonna ease over here and see what he's looking at. Up in the tree. What you think, dirty dog?
You got one down.
I was walking, I was packing all my stuff up. I was letting the bow rope down. The checker come running right here, He stopped and looked at me. I knocked another arrow. I turned to him, he just walked right in the woods. I grunted a few times, trying to get him to come back out, and I guess he heard y'all over here.
Dude, he was on the camera when you walked in. I checked the camera, and at 9:36, he was coming this way, but it was a 7-point. And I thought you said you shot a 7-point.
I shot the smaller one.
Oh, I just heard you say 7-point, and I'm like, yeah, that'd be about
this
right.
One was, he was that wide, and he was like that tall.
Yeah, I got his pictures in my card right here.
So he was grunting around the edge of this wood line, and I had him on video. I was videoing him. The doe walked out, and he come out behind her. I set my phone down, drew her back. I think he was 25 yards.
Yeah.
Drop right there.
We just got RDubb's buck loaded up, and we were just about to head out, and we got some text camera photos of a big old doe where he just shot the buck. So we've got Knox in his AR, and we're gonna see if we can't sneak down here, see if she's still standing there, so Knox can try to shoot her.
What had happened was, as we were just getting Knox's spot set up, and rounded the curve, and there was a deer running down the road about 250 yards, and I got pumped up, and I collected some meat, and it just so happened that I collected some bone also. Dead center. Squeak, you got the safety off? Just, okay, hold it tight, take your time. Put it right on that crosshair and squeeze the trigger. Okay, safety.
What's going on, guys? It's about 4:40 in the afternoon. All the guys have dispersed into their places. Chicken is on the grill, and we are going to where RDubb and I set up my ghost blind earlier today. Knox shot his rifle a few times at the camp. He's excited. You're excited, aren't you? We're taking Grandpa's truck because my diesel's a little loud. It's so quiet up here. Didn't want to spook anything.
Get it? It's Halloween.
Oh yeah. Oh yeah, spooky. the scope. Just let him come. Let him come. That's a buck. That's a buck. Hold on. Just be real still. They'll come out. Well, it seems my 2024 Georgia Rut Hunt is over. I'm packing up to get down. I did not see a deer this morning. I think RDubb saw a doe that was in heat, 3 different spikes, and then it broke off 7-point. He broke his beam off right there at his G2. Thankful to be here. This is one of my favorite places ever to hunt. Thank y'all for watching. You're watching the Part Timers.